Night Tour Guide, Beach Llama. Follow the magic stick.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another edition of Slice Night Tour Guide. I'm your host, Beach Llama, and I'll be your guide for this little journey through the history, culture, society, sights, sounds, and feels of my island, Aruba. But before we get into that, I'd like to remind you to follow and subscribe to our social media pages, Dispahari Facebook, Dispahari YouTube, for more content. Don't worry, the links are in the description and the comment section. And now, without further ado, follow the magic stick. The 18th of March marks the commemoration and celebration of the national flag and anthem of Aruba. In this edition of the Flag and Anthem Special, we're going to talk in short about the Arubian National Anthem. By the way, don't forget to check out our previous episode on the Arubian flag. Yeah, guess what? The link is gonna be in the description and the comment section. Aruba do Chiteira. Aruba do Chiteira is the name of the national anthem, which translates to Aruba Sweet Land, or Aruba Nice Land, or Aruba Succulent Land. It is a criollo style waltz that was composed by Rufo Weaver and Padu Lampe in 1953, and it became very popular. By the way, criollo means Creole, just so you know. The original composition only had 2 verses. The third verse was added in 1976, and it was composed by Hubert Leo Boyd. It became the national anthem on March 18, 1976. And now, ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, the Arubian National Anthem. Oh, don't worry, we'll put subtitles for the translations. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed the tour, and like I always say, once a guest, always a friend.
This is your Slice Night Tour Guide, Beach Llama. Follow the magic stick.